So hello guys and welcome to our channel. So we are going to start a new tutorials for iOS developers and the very basic functions or very basic topics for Swift programming. We are going to cover today's session. So just start with the tutorial. So open Xcode and create a playground. Going to File, New and Playground. Select the blank playground. Next, give it name, store it whenever you want to store, and just hit create. So there are some rough code, delete it, and then here we go. So first of all, how to declare variable. So for declaring variable, we need to type variable, then variable name, and assign its value like this. So just simple. We declared the variable. So just understand that what is the variable and what is the constant. So understanding this difference, just declare the constants like this and assign its value. Okay, then I just need to clear thing that the variable is the mutable and constants are immutable. So what is immutable? Mutable means once you assign some value to the some variable, then you are able to change its value like this. So we assign its value iOS 14. So the editor does not show any kind of error, but while we are trying to change the value of the constants, the playground shows us an error like this, that you cannot assign the value to the constant. So that's are strictly prohibited by the Swift to assign a new value to declared constant, and we just print it by this str and print str1. Just hit the run button and we can see the output in our console. It's sometimes it takes some time, sometimes not. Just wait, and here we get our output like this. So that's the points about how to declare variable. Now we are going to how to declare or what are the data types in the Swift like uh, other languages. So just if you want to declare the integer, then type variable, then its name, then type colon and give it the type whatever you want to give it, assign it integer. And remember that if you give it here integer, then if you don't provide here the string like this, it will shows an error. So just assign the things that you assign to it. So and here is how to declare the string and assign. Then how to declare double, sorry, str2 and double and assign 1.23. And the very special types that Swift have, it is boolean. It's either true or not. Like I declare str3 and type it bool, and there are only two choices. Either you can select as true or you can set it as false. whatever you want to print. So just copy this and we will print it to our console. Just copy and paste and run until this, and let's see in our console. There is. So we have all this stuff printed that we are declared. And guys, if you are want to test the things that we are learned today, so I will give the link in the description for test and just to check your knowledge that what you gained today. So that's it for today. So meet you in the next session or next video. Until then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, and Jai Hind.